Hey guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing our welder that we got from my buddy Rick. What we're going to be doing is starting to work on the front loader arms for my lawnmower project that I'd like to do. I've already cut all my pieces of metal up. I have one 44-inch, I think it's a 2.5-inch tube. I have one 50-inch tube and then one 40, no, I think it's a 50. So one 50-inch tube and then two 48-inch tubes. And the way this is going to work is I'm going to attach one 48-inch tube on either side of this. And that's going to act as kind of the main pivot arms for the bucket for the front loader. So how that's going to work is, well, I'll show you guys when I get to that part. But today we're just going to be doing a little bit of welding, a little bit of testing. I'm not super great at stick welding, so this will also kind of be practice for me. But I figure since we have this really nice looking Chicago electric stick welder, we would try and use it and see what happens. I think it'll work. Worst case scenario, I just tack these and then I move on to the later parts of the project where I can actually start fitting everything up, and then I can final weld everything with my flux core welder. So let's get started with the welding, and we'll see how this goes for the recording. It might blow it out. It might destroy the camera on this. I'm honestly not sure, but I mean, it's an old device. I don't mind if it gets destroyed. Worst thing that happens is, I can't use it and I have to go back to what I was using. But, oh well. We'll see what happens. I have already grinded the surfaces of the two pieces I'm welding clean, so I don't have to worry about anything like that. So I'm going to start this. I'm going to grab some sticks. So I believe these sticks like to be at about 60 to 80 amps. So I'm going to try 80 and see how it goes. Again, it's been a long time since I've done stick welding, so I'm not sure how well this is going to go, but we're going to find out real shortly. Seems like it's not quite enough juice, so let's up the power a little bit and see if we can get it to work. Okay, that looked a little bit better. So I'm at about 95 amps right now. So now that I got that to start over here, let's see if I can get that to actually go all the way through. my favorite part about stick is it likes to burn enough of the tip to lose contact. So, put that down. We're going to rearrange a little bit, try and get a better shot. So, I do apologize about the angle and stuff. I haven't quite gotten the mount for this figured out yet, so I apologize. Okay, so let's go. Let's try this again. Alright, let's see if that sticks. It might just fall right off, but again, this is just kind of testing my welding and kind of also testing this camera with the welding. There. Come on. Alright, so that was 3 quick little tacks. 2, hold on. That was 3 quick little tacks. They're actually holding pretty good. The hard part is making sure that this section is straight. I don't think it is. Little welder there, and it was more than good enough to test all the little things that I did right there, which is perfect. I'm not sure if you guys can see my little weld. So as you can see, I blew through a couple spots right there, but overall it's looking decent. So that's all. That's my little welding video. When I come back to this, I will be sure to show you guys, hopefully with a much better mount. But until then, I hope you guys take care.